Danke bafethu. So good news for two South African players laba abadlala lapha eMorocco kuCasablanca yabo. So Thembinkosi Lorch noMailula baya ku-World Cup. Obviously-ke beku-undecided ukuthi bazokwazi ukuya ku-World Cup because i-loan yabo iphela I think end of June both of them yabo. But-ke kusho ukuthi ama-teams avumelene ukuthi laba bafana bahambe baye lena e-United States bo-representa ini Morocco ne-Africa at large because kunama-teams ayi-4 e-Africa aya laphana ku-Club World Cup yabo. Izinto zingatshintsha fast. UThembinkosi Lorch belaphana kulokhunjana kuMamelodi Sundowns angayitholi i-game time but-ke waya lena eMorocco uyayithola i-game time. Nano is one of the most exciting players bafuna ukumsayina laphana permanent. NoMailula uze wawina one of the good players of the tournament, of the league, of the season in fact ukuthi i-stand out player lapha noMailula. uMailula-ke yena uku-loan from i-team yakhe ese-United States i-Toronto FC, and then uThembinkosi Lorch uku-loan from iMamelodi Sundowns la angatholi khona i-game time but-ke kulama player lawo oyi-two cishe izinto zangabahambeli kahle but kuye eMorocco ekubakhiphe kulo comfort zone. Manje bayakwazi ngokuperforma ngempela, they give everything for the team, nanokuthi they are highly celebrated lapha eMorocco yabo. So Thembinkosi Lorch is highly talented, sonke siyakwazi lokho, but I think i-comfortability yakhe ukuthi abe se-South Africa for so long abe yi-superstar kumenze waba relaxed. So lapha eMorocco uyazibonisa uThembinkosi Lorch ukuthi uyi-superstar, uyalazi ibhola, nanokuthi is not close to home, kumele laphana perform, otherwise ama-fans ngeke adlale naye yabo. So Orlando Pirates obviously uThembinkosi Lorch siyazi ukuthi wakhosa leyo division leyo waya kuMamelodi Sundowns waba nama-injury and then ama-injury wakhe wama-affecta lawa ama-affecte ngakhona yabo. But-ke laphana eMorocco udlala kahle kakhulu, sithi salute Thembinkosi Lorch nawe Mailula. So nibona laphana ku-FIFA Club World Cup against the best teams in the world.